how to make a Prizepicks account. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to make a Prizepicks account. Alright, so let's begin. First, open up your web browser and search for Prizepicks. Over here, click on the first link that appears. Then go to the top right corner and click on Sign Up. After that, type in your email and click Continue. Then enter your full name, click Continue. Enter your date of birth and click Continue again. After that, enter your address and click Continue. Finally, create a password that includes at least one uppercase letter, one number, one special character, and is at least 8 characters long. Then check the box and click on Create Account. So that's basically how you can make a Prizepicks account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.